Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create optional and editable regions and how to create a template with multiple page style. Okay, so first let's start with this here. When you create an optional or editable region, it puts these lines of codes here, okay, right above the head tag. Alright, and what this does, it tells Dreamweaver what to show and what not to show on a page, by what's true and what's false. Okay, false, of course, is not going to show on the page you're going to create. Okay, so we'll come back to this a little later on how this happens. First thing, let me show you how I've created my main template. Okay, so the website has 3 different page structure. Okay, so this one would be the home page. All right, the next one is a different page, which is a video page. Okay, third one is the main selection page. Okay, so I've copied those 3 pages. I've copied the main div tags, okay, or the main content if you want. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, so I did that for the 3 pages, and I've put them on another page. Okay, so here is the regular page that contains the 3 structures. Okay, so you see, you got the home page here, and here's the other page. Okay, and you see, like, copy and paste the whole page structure. There you go. And here's the third one. Okay, and here it is. And then I have a footer. And so once I've created these and the page is ready, click File, Save as Template, give it a name, and then click Save. Okay, here I'm not going to do this because it's already done, so I'm just going to click Cancel. And then when you do click Save, automatically it creates a template folder with your page you just created with the different structures with an extension DWT. That is your main template that you will work from for all your different page style on the website. Okay, so before I go any further, let me show you how to create the regions. Okay, so you want this to be able, to edit this part on other pages, right? Highlight your text, click Insert, Template, Editable Region. Give it a name, click OK. Okay, now say you don't want this to show on some pages. I like to highlight the whole tag, so I highlight this, Insert, Optional Region, give it a name. Don't worry about the Advanced tab, it's hardly used. Okay, so you gave it a name and you click OK. And now look at this, If Optional Region. So that means if you need it or not. Okay, you can turn it on or off. Okay, so we click the optional region. This is how you turn it off or on, which is true or false. Okay, so we're going to leave it to show by default now because it doesn't matter here on this page. Because I'm done with this page, I'm going to exit out. Okay, I don't need to save it. Okay, and now let's go to the main template page. Now here you see I've created editable regions, optional region, more editable regions. Okay, the first one is the home page that I copied and pasted over the other one is the main selection page. The other one is the video page. Okay, and on the video page, I added more of these. Okay, so when I got to this page, I just added more copy and paste over and over because I needed different links to different pages, right? And they're all set in the optional region tag. Okay, and then here you got the home page footer, and here I got the other page footer. Okay, so from this template I'm going to create all my pages. Okay, the purpose of doing this is because I don't want to have to go and edit the main navigation or the footer navigation for that matter on 3 different pages that were created from templates. So let's say if I have 3 different templates, okay, I would have to go to the 3 different templates if I make changes to the navigation or footer. Okay, in this case I can do it all from the one template. Okay, so let's create a page. So if I want to show this one, okay, I want to create a home page. Let's see here. Okay, it's not showing right now, so I'm going to check the box to show by default. Okay, which sets the true or false. Okay, so now it's set to true. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to scroll down, check the other ones to make sure the other ones are turned off. I'm going to check the other page. This is turned off. I'm going to check this video page. This is turned on, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay? Click OK. And so this has nothing to do with this right now because it's on the page we just turned off. Here's the footer. Click here. I'm using Dreamweaver CC, by the way. Here, homepage footers, click to show. It's fine. Let's just make sure this one is turned off. It is turned off. Okay, so I've just created the home page. Okay, so now I'm going to click the save button just to save the changes. This doesn't actually update anything. It says file examined, so you got 27 different files here in my case. 0 file updated, which is fine. I'm going to click close. Now this is when we create the page that you're going to upload to the server. So when you're working with templates, you always have to start from the file menu, new, so you're creating a new page, right, from this template. Make sure the website you're working on is highlighted. Highlight the name of the template you created. In my case, HTML5, update pages when template changes, click create. And now if it was done properly here, I should have the home page and the footer home page links. Okay, and there you go. Okay, now you see, I can't edit this from here. It has to be done from the main template. Same here. Here all my regional, editable regional tags are set, so I can edit any of this stuff. Okay. Navigation I can't touch on these pages because they're locked. Okay, so I'm not going to save this because I don't need to save it in my case. You know, it's already done. So I'm going to X this out. Okay, let's do it again just so you get the hang of it. So this time I'm going to create with the same main template where I have my 3 main structures. I'm going to create a different page, okay, from the home page. So edit, uncheck, okay. And so let's say I want to create a video page this time. Okay, so I'm going to come here, edit, I'm going to check the show by default, okay. Here I just want these links, the cPanel links, to show on that page. They're not turned on, so I'm going to turn them on. And I've got to see if the others are turned off. This one's on, so I'm going to turn it off. Here again, off, off, off. So all you do is click on the tag and click on edit, off, click on the tag again, click on edit, it's off. So that means all the odd columns here, the sidebars that are off, won't show on the page, right? Okay. Footer, I want to change the footer, okay? So I'm going to turn this one off, and I'm going to turn this one on. Okay, so now when I create the new page, okay, I'm going to save this first, click update, you see 0 file updated, that's fine. Okay, now let's go create the page. Okay, again, file, new, make sure that's highlighted, make sure you highlight this one, make sure these are checked, create page. And here you go, video page, my cPanel here, footer menu, okay? And now it's pretty simple, okay? So say when you get to the next page you have a different sidebar. Okay, I'm just going to X this out because I don't want to save it. Okay, go back to the main page. I want a different sidebar. Okay, so I know this one's turned on. I'm going to turn it off. Click OK. I'm going to turn this one on. Say I want that one, for example. Turn it on. Click OK. Click Save again. Update. Doesn't update any files. Okay, it's fine. Close. Now again, file, new, highlight, make sure it's checked, create. Okay, so with a couple of simple clicks, I've changed the navigation sidebar. See? And the rest is there. Okay, now let's save this one. Alright, so I'm going to go File, Save As, Demo. I'm going to replace the demo I created earlier. Okay, now, let's say you made a mistake, alright? Okay, and say you've got the wrong box here, and you already created content on here, so you can't go back. Okay, so what we do here, we go to Modify, Template Properties. Okay, I want to turn off this one, because that's the WordPress box, right? So turn it off, and I want to turn on, let's say, the cPanel. Turn it on, click OK, and here I should have, see, there you go, sidebar changed. Pretty simple, okay? And you do this again, you put all your structure on the same main template, okay? Just so you don't have to go back and edit your navigation from one page or one template to another. If you have 3-4 different page structure, you know, this is what you should do. Okay, it saves a lot of work in the end, and it works just fine. It's awesome. And that's about it.